Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a whole wheat bread, and these are all the ingredients. Uh, All-purpose flour. You can use bread machine flour, and this is whole wheat and yeast. Ground flax seeds. You can use uh, the whole flax seeds, but this is ground. 2 teaspoon salt, and this is milk. It's warm, about 80 to 90 degrees warm, and this is water, and it's warm, and 2 tablespoons of margarine, or you can use butter, and this is maple syrup. And I will start adding the ingredients. This is 2 cups of milk. You can use buttermilk or any kind of milk, but this is 1% milk. And a 1/4 cup of warm water. 2 tablespoons of margarine. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Two cups whole wheat flour. And 4 cups of all-purpose flour. The last one, but not the least, is the yeast. 3 teaspoons yeast. Cover this up. And then plug this in, and see you later. And by the way, the flax seeds, I will add it when the machine start beeping. So everything is in the bread machine, and when it's kneading time, I take it out and put it in a loaf pan. Now I will transfer this dough into a loaf pan, this one here. This here for now. this closer. Leave it for about 20 minutes and see you later. Hello guys, after 20 minutes or half an hour, my bread is rising, and I will bake this in the oven for 350 degrees for half an hour, and see you later. I will check my bread if it's ready. It's like it's cooked after half an hour. It's looking very tasty and yummy. Look. Take this out in a pan. There you go. There's my bread. It's a good looking bread. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And you have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye.